Hi everyone, welcome to our webinar. And today the topic is Beware of Suitcase Exhibition Companies. My name is Carolina John and I'm the marketing specialist here at Strokes Exhibits. And today we'll be discussing the importance of choosing a reliable exhibition company and how to avoid falling into the traps of a suitcase exhibition company. So what is a suitcase exhibition company? A suitcase exhibition company is not a real business. They are individuals who claim to represent a business but often operate from home. These companies may hire cheap, unskilled labor and attempt to build a stand at a fraction at the market rate, often disappearing at the end of the project. Now, the impact of choosing such companies can result in poor quality stands, misleading deadlines, and overall dissatisfaction with your exhibition experience. Now, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right contractor. Choosing the right contractor is no easy task. Many companies will send you booth proposals, but the key is to find one that provides quality finishing touches. Conduct thorough research, online, offline, show your organizers and seek recommendations both from friends and colleagues. Visit trade shows, observe the booths that you like, and ask the contractors who built them. Now let's find out the steps to avoid a suitcase exhibition company. Step 1. Put together a list of contractors. Send your request for proposals to multiple companies. Shortlist based on design, budget, quality of work, reputation, and business client rapport. Step 2. Understand their terms and conditions. Ensure that they handle all aspects of the project, right from design, fabrication, transportation, dismantling, and storage. Confirm that they have an in-house team for those tasks to maintain from quality control. And the third final step, check out their reputation. Ask for a full resume of their expo show event and their management record. Look through their portfolio and events and clients. Directly talk to the contractor to get insights into their approach. Now, let's talk about evaluating potential contractors. Asking for references. Check if they have met with client expectations and critical deadlines. Verify that their reviews and client testimonials align with the sales pitch. Review previous trade show displays. Evaluate their storytelling and design capabilities. Ensure that the stands are persuasive, informative, clearly communicative, and what they're trying to sell. And next step would be check out their website. Look for pictures of previous projects the client of the testimonials. Ask their global reach and past collaborations with major brands. And lastly, ask for a portfolio. Request a portfolio or a presentation to assess their capabilities and style. Ensure that they have a long-standing reputation and experience with varieties of companies. So the key consideration of choosing the right partner would be 1. All under one roof. Prefer contractors who offer a full service package, meaning they have the process starting right from the ideation, transportation, construction, marketing, staffing, PR, etc. Choose based on the scope of services that you need. Next, your budget. Discuss the budget constraints early on and ensure that the contractor can work within your limits. Choose a contractor that is flexible and can accommodate all your last-minute changes. So let's conclude. Avoid suitcase exhibition companies by conducting thorough research, checking references, and evaluating their portfolios. Check a reputable and experienced exhibition company that offers comprehensive services and maintains quality throughout the project. Tips that I can share: read the contract carefully. Consider consulting a legal advisor before signing. A reliable exhibition company will ensure a successful and stress-free exhibition experience. Good luck finding your reliable exhibition company in Dubai. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at Strokes Exhibits. So that's all, folks. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this webinar valuable and informative all at the same time, and better equipped to choose that reliable exhibition partner for your next event.